man follows. That's just the way it's got to be.
I'm all walking around here like it's a doggone haunted house on Halloween, Skid Bro. There's roaches everywhere. We had to bomb the place, so most of them are pretty much dead. They're all on the counters. Not all of them are dead, man. This is a make ready, so I'm turning the unit in the drawers. I'm turning the unit, and some of them are running out on me, and I'm squealing, man. Ah! All up in the drawers. Sad part is they had little kids here, man. 2 little kids. We came in here on a work order one time. Her P-trap was loose under her kitchen sink, and it was 82 degrees in here, and we're like, you don't run the AC? This is the middle of summer. And she said no, because her kid had asthma. It's like, well, I guess it has nothing to do with the roaches. I mean, these things were alive at one time, man. They're all in the bathroom. The bathrooms look just like this. They're everywhere. I figured I'd do an easy one for you new guys. I'm going to replace this GFI. It's not resetting. You should be able to hit that button and it should stay pushed in. Experience tells me there's going to be a lot of roach boo-boo behind here. Dang, plate's caulked on. Oh, it's cracked. Sorry, I got a new one. Yep, look at the roach turds. I knew it. It's just after so many years, man, you just know. That's all roach turd up in there, Skid, bro. Ugh. This is my cheat stick here. You guys, if you don't have one of these, I recommend it. I'll leave a link to one in the description below in this video. If you want to go get you one. Always test it on something that I know is live first before I check for power on what I want to change out. I turned the breaker off, but I just want to make sure. Yep, it's dead. Alright, now we can safely work on it. Yeah, that thing is roach boo-booed out. I haven't seen roaches this bad in a long time. It's not common out here where I work. I've worked in Section 8, I've worked in student housing. I've seen a lot of roach cases. Oh look, there's a live one back there. Hey, you're on the Dirty Maintenance Show. Say hello. Excuse me, sir. Where'd he go? There he is. Ugh. Excuse me, sir. You the one boo-booing on my outlet here? Yeah, you can smell it too, man. It's just that unmistakable roach-infested smell. People have been hitting me up too about why I wear gloves. Now I know how Steve Live feels. Why you wear gloves? Why you always wearing gloves, man? Calling me a sissy and stuff. It's like, man, okay, well, if you like touching boo-boo and touching crap and people's pee all over the floor, then if that makes you more than a man, then I guess you're more than a man, dude. I'm gonna wear gloves. Ugh. Alright, the black wires go on the hot side and the white neutrals go on that side. Pretty simple. Just gonna go back with exactly how it was. I evicted our little friend in there. grabbed him with my needle nose pliers. Hook the old ground up, then we're all done. It's a real simple fix. Good video for you new guys. It's a lot easier when they don't have roach poop all over it. Alright, I'm gonna turn the power on and see what happens. Cool, we have power. This outlet wasn't working either. Alright, easy peasy. Just loosen the screws on the old one, pull the wires out, put the wires back into the new outlet and tighten the screws back down and you're done. I'll have to fix this with some almond caulk. But it's working now, we got power. And again, you guys, if you want a cheat stick, I'll leave a link to where you can get one in the description below on this video and you can have one delivered to your house. Alright, thank you all for watching The Dirty Maintenance Show.